Hi there, we're going to be demonstrating today the removal of the impactor assembly from this CIRT tool. You begin by removing the 6 nuts at the foot. These require a hex key. And these should be blue Loctited in place, so it's going to take a bit of a snap to break them free, and then they should come out easily. Right, take those screws aside. Remove the foot assembly. Next, we're going to be removing the guide collar. We'll need the adjustable pin wrench. There are 2 pinholes in the collar. Find one of those. This should take only a very light tap to break free. And it'll thread right out. Next, we are going to remove the end nut. The end nut should be tightened very firmly, so it may take more force to remove. If you're having difficulty removing the end nut, you may have to brace or clamp the CIRT unit itself to give you enough torque. But do be careful that you don't break the pin on your pin wrench, because that can happen if you over torque. So this should take a simple tap here at the end of the wrench. And there, I'm free. And from there, it should just spin out by hand. Next, we'll need to remove the 2 shoulder bolts that go through the reset handle and into the reset collar. For this, you'll need a 1/4 inch hex key. A standard L key will work, but we found it best to have a longer reach tool like this one. Again, these are blue Loctited in place, so it may take a bit of a snap to break them free right first. There we go. There we go. And it should come out easily. Now these can sometimes, once they're free of the thread, hang up a little bit. So occasionally you may have to tip the tool slightly to get them out. Again, set that aside so you don't get that confused with other parts. Once both shoulder bolts are removed, the piston assembly can just be pulled straight out. Do support the piston and try to pull it out very straight, so that you don't damage the sides of the chamber. And there you go, removal of the CIRT impact assembly.